Unlocking the power of DeepSeek top tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something absolutely insane. We're talking about treasure, like actual buried treasure. Okay, maybe not pirates and gold, or maybe, but we're diving into the top ways to use DeepSeek, the ultimate tool for uncovering hidden treasures. We're talking lost jewelry, forgotten relics, maybe even a little bit of history. This thing is like a superpower, and I can't wait to show you how to use it. Get ready to have your minds blown, because DeepSeek is about to change the way you look at the world around you. Lost and found conquering the backyard. First up, we're tackling a problem everyone's had, losing something valuable in your own backyard. It's like it just disappears into thin air, right? But don't worry, DeepSeek is here to save the day. We're talking finding that wedding ring that mysteriously vanished a year ago, your kid's favorite toy that's been missing since last Tuesday, or even that lucky coin you thought was gone forever. We're going to grid off the backyard, fire up DeepSeek, and show you exactly how to use it to pinpoint those lost treasures. You won't believe what we find. Beachcombing bonanza, unveiling the sands of time. Next, we're hitting the beach for a treasure hunt of epic proportions. Imagine finding lost jewelry, rare coins, or even historical artifacts buried beneath the sand. With DeepSeek, that dream becomes a reality. This isn't your grandpa's metal detector, people. DeepSeek can differentiate between junk and valuable metals, so you'll spend less time digging up bottle caps and more time uncovering incredible finds. We're talking silver coins, lost watches, maybe even a gold ring or two. Who knows what treasures the tide has brought in? Chapter 3, Digging Deep, Avoiding Underground Obstacles. Now let's get practical. Before you start any major digging project in your yard, you need DeepSeek. This thing is a lifesaver when it comes to locating underground utilities. We're talking buried pipes, electrical lines, you name it. DeepSeek can pinpoint their exact location, saving you from costly repairs or even dangerous accidents. Imagine hitting a gas line with a shovel. No thanks. DeepSeek lets you dig with confidence, knowing exactly what's beneath the surface. Chapter 4, Time Travelers Unearthing History with DeepSeek. Alright, history buffs, this one's for you. Imagine uncovering relics from the past, holding pieces of history in your hands to see. That's what DeepSeek can do. We're talking about exploring old homesteads, forgotten settlements, maybe even battlefields. With DeepSeek's advanced technology, you can pinpoint the location of old coins, buttons, buckles, even musket balls. It's like taking a step back in time, experiencing history firsthand. Who knows what secrets you could uncover with DeepSeek by your side? Chapter 5. The Ultimate Treasure Hunt. Fun for the whole family. Finally, let's not forget about the fun factor. DeepSeek is the perfect way to get your friends and family excited about the outdoors and maybe even a little bit of history. Hide some trinkets and treasures in your backyard or even a local park. Give everyone a DeepSeek and let the games begin. You can even turn it into a competition, awarding prizes for the most valuable or unique finds. It's a great way to create lasting memories and share the joy of discovery with the people you care about most. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. We've just scratched the surface of what DeepSeek can do. It's not just a metal detector, it's a passport to adventure, a time machine, and a whole lot of fun, all rolled into one. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use DeepSeek. Will you be searching for lost treasures, uncovering history, or just having some fun with the family? Until next time, keep exploring.